Hello friends, I'm Ashwin Kumar here. I'm an agent for National Insurance as well as for LIC and Care Health Insurance. Today I'm going to discuss with you about Care Health Insurance. It'll just take few minutes of time. I would like to tell the important aspects of Care Health Insurance. So let us go to the live web that we are going to have in the next session. Okay, we'll go to the next one. So right now, welcome to the Care Health Insurance. As you can see, the Care Health Insurance has got all the COVID-19 hospitalization charges, also saves under tax exemption for 80D. You'll get a complete update on WhatsApp, and what are all the 24 into 7. There's a claim support is there, 15,500 cashless hospital networks, and direct claim settlement. Let me tell you, the prime USP of Care Health Insurance is it does not have a third party administrator at all. It directly deals with the hospitals. Its entire team directly deals with the hospital. The second important USP of Care Health Insurance is it has got the claim ratio is 95.2%. So as I go inside the products and what are the products that they all are having, let us discuss one by one. Now, this is about broadly the picture about Care Health Insurance plan for the family care. Care Freedom is there. Health insurance without pre-policy checkup. Then Care Heart is also there, health insurance plan especially for pre-existing heart ailments. Then Care Senior Citizen Healthcare Insurance, that is a plan which is above 61 years of age. Then anything top up that you want to do, that also enhancement is also there, and most of it is portability of other insurance company policies is also with there with Care. Then Care Advantages, you can take a health insurance policy for a coverage of 1 crore also. That is also one of the trademarks of Care. And again, we have got same Arogya Sanjeevani policy, standard health insurance plan with all the Ayush coverage. Then a very important coverage is for policies about Joy. This Joy insurance coverage is about maternity insurance plan for the baby cover for the mother and the newborn baby. Even the pregnancy starts at the time also, the Joy cover can be taken. Next is Cancer Mediclaim, the critical illness policy. It's a lifelong cancer protection plan which is available with flexible EMI options also. Then the regular all health insurance plans. Now let us see, and apart from the regular health insurance, they've got travel insurance for students as well as people who are traveling insurance, and corporate insurance is there for entire mediclaim for the group, for your entire organization, for your entire staff that can be taken. A simple personal accident coverage also for a group. It's all about group insurance. So these are the things. So basically, let us focus on the health insurance. The first product that we are going to see is about Care. This is a family health insurance. As you can see, earlier it was titled as Religare, now it has become Care. Now 15 days is the waiting period once the start of the inception of the policy, and you can avail annual health checkup also. And there is a coverage of modern treatments under robotic surgery. These are the basic broad thing under the Care starting points. Here 4.5 Google rating, 15,500 cashless healthcare providers, and 95.2% insurance claim settlement ratio, which is literally amazing. uh, that's why we should see. Next, the next policy that we are going to talk about is Care Freedom, healthcare insurance for diabetes, high BP and high BMI people. Again, annual checkup, no pre-policy medical health checkup, and lifelong renewability is there. There's a tax benefit also. That is about this particular policy, Care Freedom. Then comes Care Heart. Care Heart, again, pre and post hospitalization, pre existing heart illnesses is covered, but everything comes under the claimed policy document. So you need to read the policy documents clearly. Once your agent submits, most probably me, I'll be giving you all the information regarding this particular policy, any policy from Care. We have got an app also, Care Favio app. So once you give me your details, I can just send it directly the entire this thing on a WhatsApp also. So this is about the heart, especially for the people who are suffering cardiac things. Cardiac this thing also we are giving Care Heart. Then comes a very important policy called Care Seniors, especially for senior citizen policy. And one remarkable aspect is they are not asking for a no pre-policy medical health checkup. Annual checkup is there for all the insured people, and 540 plus daycare treatments is covered. And there's save tax up to 1,000, 1 lakh this thing under Section 80D. So senior citizens is covered very well in this policy, and you can also have details. Care Senior Citizen, all this thing should be above age 60, and they are having annual health checkup, organ donor situation, emergency ambulance, daycare treatments, and post hospitalization expenses. These are all the inpatient hospitalization where details are up to some insured 3 lakhs and 5, 7, and 10 lakhs. So all the details are covered here in this particular policy, especially for the senior citizens. You can go to the website careinsurance.com. You can download the entire details and definitely share it with the people they want. Okay. Right now, this is enhance is nothing but super top up of a existing policy. Now let us discuss about care advantage. Here the advantage is for some insured can go choose from 25 lakhs, 50 lakhs, and 1 crore, and up to 50% there is no claim bonus, and coverage of daycare treatments and inpatient hospitalization is also covered. That is why if you are having that kind of a premium that you can pay, you have the financial budgets to take this 1 crore policy also, you can go up to 50 lakhs, 25 lakhs. Choice is yours based on your payments that you are looking at, your financial planning that is there. Rest everything is covered the same, 25 lakhs to 50 lakhs, recommended 1 crore, sum insured. All the details are given here. So that is about care 1 crore policy. Then Arogya Sanjeevani policy, which is a standard health insurance policy where the people inpatient hospitalization under Ayush, 30 days pre and 60 days post hospitalization, 5% increase in cumulative bonus for every claim free year. Same, the only thing in Arogya Sanjeevani is the cataract treatment is taken, diagnosis and test is taken, emergency ambulance, hospitalization, post hospitalization covered in the most one. Most of the other insurance companies generally they avoid the cataract treatment. Even they give cataract, it's under high premium, and there will be a third party administrator. So all these things is the best ideal option is cataract treatment for Arogya Sanjeevani policy under care. That is what I will definitely recommend. If in somebody in the senior citizens, you can take it. Then coming to a very important policy in care. This is a maternity insurance plan, perfect blend of hospitalization and maternity insurance. Newborn baby cover is up to there for 90 days, 90. 10% premium discount on multi-year policy if you want to take it for multiple years, and coverage is up to 541 daycare treatments. Joy is specially designed healthcare insurance policy with maternity coverage in India for expecting mothers and their newborns. It ensures the right coverage for the mother and the child with several prominent features. Whether it's normal delivery or cesarean, this pregnancy insurance covers most of the pregnancy related expenses. Available at an affordable premium, it often reduces the couple's financial worries for the delivery related expenses and encourages them to start a family at the right time. It comes up with a waiting period, so advisable is to get in advance and stay prepared to welcome your baby into this world without a worry free. Maternity care is covered, newborn baby cover, pre and post hospitalization expenses, inpatient care, and daycare treatment. And apart from this, ambulance coverage is also there. Then family floater option is also there. So these are the beautiful policy which care is giving you is about this joy. So kindly think on this, especially if you have got somebody in your family circle, friend circle, who has want to become parents or who are already in the process of having a baby within the next 9 months. This is one of the best policies they could take it. So here there are policy terms. Minimum age is 18 years and above. Again, maximum age of entry is 45 years. Pre-policy insurance medical check applicable as per the age. Some insured will be there, and most of the for a non-related illness, waiting period is 4 years, and co-payment option is there. Free look period till 15 days, you can have a look at it. So these are the basic plan details, and as I told you, whichever policy that you are taking, please understand you have to read the exclusions totally. Any pre-existing ailment or injury that was diagnosed within 48 months between last 4 years, it again that cannot be covered. Any diseases contracted during the first 30 days also cannot be covered. That is arising except those arising out of accidents. Non-allopathic treatment. These are all exclusions. Expenses attributable to self-inflicted injury or suicide. Basically, it's not covered. The cost of spectacles, contact lenses, dental treatment. All these things are not covered. Congenital disease, again test and treatment related infertility and IVF, it is not covered. These are all under exclusions, so please read the exclusions before you opt for any policy. Okay, right. Now comes the cancer mediclaim. The cancer mediclaim is a lifelong cancer protection cancer insurance, and every time there is a claim free you will be rewarded, and coverage for treatment for chemo radiotherapy is available. So again, chemotherapy and radiotherapy cover is there, annual health checkup is there, lifelong renewability, organ donor, and covers all major types of cancer. The sum insured for the cancer cover policy ranges from 10 lakhs to 2 crores. You can get a no claim bonus for every claim free year under the cancer protection plan. Lifelong renewability is there. You have EMIs also you can pay with an option of 2 to 3 years. Then again, you want any second opinion also, you can get it this thing available under treatment for cancer. Optional benefit of accidental hospitalization and other things. Second opinion is also being covered. So these are all the important things that you need to understand. ICU checkups and everything. How does this work? They are giving you the example also. So according this cancer includes a premium of this thing 18% GST or 367 per month. They are giving you different examples. So what I would suggest is you have to understand this cancer insurance policy in depth. It is very in depth and you have to read all the important points, and exclusions is a very critical aspect in cancer insurance. In a cancer insurance plan, there's a 90-day waiting period. So that is why if the insured receives diagnosed illnesses under some medical operation this period, the insurer will not cover the expenses. The plan does not cover suicide attempt, any disease caused by consumption of alcohol, tobacco, or cigarettes, cosmetic or plastic surgery, pregnancy, miscarriages, childbirth, or C-sections, all hazardous activities, a nuclear, chemical, or biological attack, as well as weapons, significant damage, illness or injury caused by insured criminal intent to break the law. These are the important things, standard things, but you have to understand, read all the policy documents clearly before you really opt for the insurance plan. So that is about the cancer insurance mediclaim, and all the health insurance plans are covered here, most of the major ones. So I would always request you is, it has got, care has got, 15,500 cashless healthcare provided. It's adding every day, and it has got comprehensive coverage including Ayush treatment, hassle-free experience with 95.2% claim ratio, claim settlement ratio. Tax savings is there under section 80D. So that is why, and apart from that, as I said, the travel and other corporate insurance are available. So here I would just focus more on the care senior citizen policies, because you have to understand this entry age is adult 61 years, that is entry age. Maximum adult is lifelong. From 61 years to above, policy can be taken. Lifelong renewability is there. Co-payment option is also there. And waiting period, name, ailment, that is also there for any pre-existing. Grace period 30 days is given. What are the exclusions? Expenses attributable to self-inflict, that is suicide, cannot be covered. Expenses arriving out of alcohol or drug abuse is not covered. Treatment arising out of traceable to pregnancy or childbirth, miscarriage, abortion, and no. Internal congenital diseases is not covered. Test and treatment relating to infertility and in vitro fertilization is not covered. And war riot things. These are all the important policies as far as care is concerned. And so that's why I would request every one of you to understand this, all these policies, different critical illness, health insurance, operations. You can also calculate here everything. So they give you the entire information here, care. So you should really look at this policies from care company, because they give you all the benefits here. Annual health checkup, robotic surgery, emergency ambulances, hospitalization, post and pre, everything is covered here. And you can opt for the different lakhs here. If you see 5, 7, 10 lakhs, it gives up to 6 crores. So that is why you should really think on, looking at what are which policy really suits you. Talk to me. Maybe we can have a one-to-one discussion. Maybe you can chat online also. Then we can plan which policy is ideal for you based on your financial budgets that you have allocated to purchase the insurance policy. But my dear friends, whenever you take any insurance policy, make sure you read the policy document totally, read the entire exclusions, then you opt for the policy. And that is why I would suggest that, read the documents always and read the exclusions. Any doubts, any discussions, I am always available. Plus the care company has also got their, entire toll-free numbers, everything is there. As I told you, this thing 95.2% claim ratio is excellent from care. Second point is very important, is there is no TPS involved, third party administrators. It is care team directly deals with the hospitals and the doctors when the billing cycle starts. So that is why I would definitely recommend you to take care health insurance. So this is what I would like to conclude. Thank you.